Lovemu Matuke, Minister of State Security and ZANU-PF Politburo member, has come under fire for commandeering the pulpit at the African Apostolic Church Easters Conference in Gutu. Matuke used the platform to campaign for ZANU-PF and glorify President Emmerson Mnangagwa, turning a secret service into a political rally. Sana mna mashukuru panapa ma accusations arukandiwa kuna Lovemu Matuke anawezekana kuti he is a state security minister panapa achinza aiwa akachinja church service aiwa kunoita a political arena kunoita a rally. Sana mna mashukuru nyoro panapa no subscribe or like on the bell kuti mna mnamodo wanyu kwa mchinzi. The move has been widely condemned by critics and church observers who view it as blatant violation of the church's sanctity. A church elder described the incident as hijack, saying, "We came here for spiritual upliftment, not political sermons." Matuke's actions were seen as an attempt to align the church with the ruling party's agenda, with many congregants expressing discomfort and skepticism. His call for churches to support government initiatives and combat drug abuse was perceived as politically loaded and insincere by some. The incident has sparked a heated debate about the separation of church and state, with many questioning the appropriateness of using a place of worship for political gain. As one congregant put it, the church must remain a sanctuary, not a stage for politicians. Tomashkaruda panapa atukuna kune vamwe vanhu vari kuratidza kuti aiwa they were not satisfied the move yakaitwa naMatuke vachinokambena for ZANU-PF and the Zimbabwean leader vaiti Mnangagwa. Tudze mafunguro emo tudi pamusoro pechitiko ichi munangomenza section yedu, tudze mafunguro enyu, subscribe or like, chito the bell icon.